Good afternoon. I'm Chef Cecil, and we have a special guest for the Cambridge Cooking Hour. Our next segment here, I have Chef Chris here with us today. Come on in, Chef. Say hello.
How you doing, Mrs. Lane family? So we have a pretty dope menu for you guys today. It's been a while since our last video, so we're looking forward to having kind of a brunch summer theme for today's cooking demonstration. So Chef Cecil, what do you have on par for everybody today?
I'm going to do an omelet, probably scrambled eggs. I was going to do an omelet. I'm going to do scrambled eggs with a hot dog, throw some onions and mushrooms in there, and maybe even some cheese. And just do something that's really easy that the kids can do at home. Great breakfast meal, a little balance there with some veggies. Let's see how that turns out.
All right, awesome. We have a hot dog scramble coming from Chef Cecil, and I have for you some homemade guacamole with homemade corn chips. So we'll go ahead and take a pause with everyone. Everybody go out. Go ahead and get a piece of paper so you guys can write down these recipes that we guys are about to show you guys. And when you guys come back, we'll go ahead and prep our guacamole. See you guys in a little bit.